One. Welcome to day 3, everybody. We're on our way. I'd like you to have a look at your phone book friction answers for tomorrow. I'm probably going to be talking about that and what everybody's answer was, and of course, what we need to get to level 4 on that particular exercise. I see some answers are really getting pretty good. I see this one, for example, left by somebody unnamed at this moment, is attempting to put a Fermi calculation onto that force of friction. So we've got a couple of approaches to coming up with an answer to explain all that friction that those phone books can generate. And that is actually quite an interesting problem, and we'll talk about that tomorrow. If you've been working your way through the course, if you've just signed on, yesterday we worked on investigating friction in one dimension. If you've got that complete, move on to the next quiz, which is Don't Move, Working Against Static Friction. Make sure you do a little bit of reading about static friction before you start that one. So there's our static friction quiz, and as you can see, if you have a look at the grading method down at the bottom, it's going to be taking your highest grade, and you have unlimited attempts. So once you click into that quiz, if you've done an attempt and it's a big failure, you can just submit it and look at your answers. Try and regroup and try it again. It will take your highest grade. All you're really going to be doing is rearranging that equation, okay? The coefficient of static friction is the ratio between the maximum force you can apply to an object and the normal force. When you're taking that quiz, make sure you go in with a free body diagram, a piece of paper you can make free body diagrams with, and make sure you've got a notebook so that you can remember what you did when you're finished that quiz. All right, that's it. Day 3. Good work, folks.